Good morning and welcome to the Wyre Forest just outside Bewdley in the West Midlands. Today we are here for Wyre Forest Park Run. Something to be aware of: when you arrive by the visitor centre, the start is about a 10-minute walk down the hill past the Go Ape structures. It's well signposted, but just walk down the hill to the start. This course is a 1-lap course, all on these hard trails that you can see in front of me. About 10 years ago, I used to work for an outdoor activity company. Looking up in the trees at these structures brings back so many memories, but also does make me want to have a go.
Yeah, well done, Sue. Well done, Sue.
So after the initial uphill, now onto a long drawn out downhill. Through 1k, still going down. I'm not looking forward to the hill back up in a minute, but right now, easy running. There is something about running in the woods that just takes you fully back to nature. Onto the uphill now. Through halfway in 17 minutes. Now, allowing for the first 2k being downhill, this is definitely a course to come back to and properly hit for a PB. Today, just get a good time and then come back in the summer and properly hit this course, I think. Coming up to the little loop section now. You see the faster runners coming the other way.
Well done.
What goes down must go up, I guess. Rather nice in all these pines though.
No problem, well done.
Through 4K on the homeward push now.
Well done, guys. Well done.
Well done.
It's been a lovely event here in the forest this morning. Really enjoyed running through the forest, the sounds of the birds, and just getting back to nature. Strava says I've come back with about 37-ish minutes, but I don't really mind. It's been one of those runs where I've just been able to connect with everything around me. Next week there won't be a parkrun video as I'm having a weekend off for my 40th birthday. However, I do have a museum visit video which I'll be putting out, so there'll still be a bit of content for you. Hope you're all well. Hope you've enjoyed the content. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.